Happy day, my dear kids. Have you all finished your previous homework? Good. Today we are going to see chapter 2, multiplication. Under multiplication we have several topics as we have seen in previous class. Today we are going to see multiplying whole numbers by 10. How to multiply whole numbers with 10. This is the concept we are going to see today. Multiplying whole numbers by 10. Look at the first problem. Multiply 4 by 10. Consider 4 as 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times. Now it will be multiplied by 10. So multiply each one value by 10. So 1 tens are 10, 1 tens are 10, you get 4 times 10. So if you add these 4 tens, you will get the answer as 40. 4 tens are 40. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So multiplication leads to addition also. 4 tens are 40. If you do normal multiplication, look at here. This is ones place and this is tens place. So this is ones. So always the ones value multiplied with ones and tens. 4 zeros are 0. 4 ones are 4. So 4 tens are 40. Look at the second problem. Multiply 40 by 10. 40 can be split up into 4 tens. 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. Now these tens will be multiplied by 10. 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. So we will get 4 times 100 as answer. So now add these 400s. 400 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 200, 300. 300 plus 100, 400. So 4 hundreds are 40. You can say it as 40 into 10 equal to 400. Now look at here. 40 into 10. You have to multiply this 40 with 10, then you will get 400. Okay dear, by doing normal multiplication, 40 into 10, ones, tens, ones, tens. Look at here. Start this 10 and multiply with 40. Take first ones place. 1 will be multiplied with ones and tens. So you will get the answer as 0 zeros are 0. 0 fours are 0. Now go to tens place. Tens place means you have to write the answer in tens place, below tens place. This is ones and this is tens. So below tens place you have to write the first answer. Now multiply 1 with 0 and 1 with 4. 1 zeros are 0. You have to write under tens because we are starting the value from tens place. This is tens place value. So you have to start writing from tens place. 1 zeros are 0. 1 fours are 4. Then add these all values. 0 plus nothing, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Nothing plus 4, 4. So you will get the same answer by doing normal multiplication. So 40 into tens of 40 by doing in this method, and if you do normal multiplication method you will get it as 40 into 10, 400. By 400 by 10. Now you have to split up 400 as 4 hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. So totally 400s. If you add these all 400s, you will get answer as 400. 100 plus 100, 200. 200 plus 100, 300. 300 plus 100, 400. So you have to write 400 as 4 hundreds. Then multiply those 400s into 10. 100 into 10, 1000. So look here. 100 into 10 is equal to 1000. So you will get 4 times 1000. By multiplying these all values together with 10, you will get 4 times 1000. Now add all these 4 thousands 1000 plus 1000, 2000, 2000 plus 1000, 3000, 3000 plus 1000, 4000. So you will get the answer as 4000 by multiplying 4 times 100 into 10 is equal to 4000. 400 into 10 is equal to 4000. In next page we have two problems. Let's do part. 440 into 10 equal to dash. Now split this into tens and hundreds. 440. 400 will be split up into 4 times 100. Right? Then 40 will be split up into 4 times 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 10. Now multiply these 4 times 100 and 4 times 10 with 10. Now use hundreds with 10. Use multiplication of hundreds with 10. 100 into 10, 1000. 100 into 10, 1000. So you will get 4 times 1000. Similarly, multiply 4 times 10 with 10. 10 tens are 100. 10 tens are 100. So you will get the answer as 4 times 100. Now you have to add these two values. 1000 plus 100, 1100. 1000 plus 100, 1100. So you will get 4 times 1000 plus 100 as 1100. So 4 times 1000 plus 100 is 4400. So add this 100 plus 100, 200, 300, 400. Then in thousands place 1, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. So 4000 in thousands place. Totally 4400. You can do normal multiplication also, children. Similarly, here also you have to do the same method of calculation by drawing a picture. How ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So in thousands place 4. Thousands place 4 is there. So 4 times 1000 you have to. As I said already, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. In thousands place 4 are there. So 4 thousands. 4 times 1000. Then in hundreds place 4 is there. So 4 times 100. In tens place 4 is there. So 40. 4 times 10. In tens place 4 is there. So 4 times 10. Multiply all these value with 10. 1000 into 10, 10,000. 1000 into 10, 10,000. Likewise, 4 times you will get 10,000. Similarly, if you multiply 4 times 100 with 10, you will get 4 times 1000. Then, if you multiply 4 times 10 with 10, then you will get 4 times 100. Now add all these values one by one. 10,000 plus 10,000, 20,000. 20,000 plus 10,000, 30,000. 30,000 plus 10,000, 40,000. So you will get 40,000. In 10,000 place you have to put 4, 40,000. In 10,000's place 4, 10,000. In thousands place 4,000. In hundreds place 4 hundreds. In tens place 0. Ones place 0. So you will get the answer as 44,400. Hope you all understood this concept. If you want to see the videos of previous chapters, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos in this channel. Thank you.